guys, welcome to the third episode of Max's Quarantine Treats. I'm not cooking anything today. Instead, I'm doing something simple, easy, and something I'm desperately in need of. Coffee. In this case, I'm going to show you how to make espresso. Alright, so this is the espresso maker I have. The Nespresso neutral line. So this is how you would make it with this kind. I'm not sure how you would do it with other kinds, but I imagine it's not that different. So let us begin. So first things first, you want to take your water kettle and you want to fill it up with water. What I like to do is I like to turn the water on and let it get really hot so that way it'll boil quicker. It's getting nice and warm. Once it's on, you're going to put it on the platform, you're going to make sure it's plugged in, and you're going to push it down. When it is done boiling, it will turn itself off, which is pretty nice. So now, before we can put in our thing, you're going to need your two containers, which are these. So, your pods, I mean. So we're going to get our coffee cup, and I'm going to use my special cup that I got. Because you know what I'm about to drink? Some serious gourmet shit. So that water is boiling. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the coffee mug there. Open it. Now you want to make sure that this has enough water in there. So it could use a little bit more, so we're going to add some more. We'll just pop up the iPad. Over there. Right the first time. And you're going to put it on. I'll be right back. So now that you got that, you're going to take your first pod, put it in there, you're going to close it, and you're going to lock it. Now this thing's going to bright up, it's going to blink a couple times, and you're going to wait for it to stay solid. And hurry up, I'm thirsty. And when it does, you just press it, and it brews your coffee. Alright, so now that it's done, you may think that's not a lot. Well, what you actually do is you press it down and you let it go for a second time. Fancy that, right? Okay, so the first pod is done, and now we're going to go on and do the second pod. It's pretty easy. Oh, and the water kettle is done heating up. We're going to let it sit for a little bit, and we might turn it back on just to warm it up a little bit more. Alright, now that we got all our coffee brewed, we're gonna take our mug. Ooh, careful. Alright, now that we got the coffee all brewed up, we're going to take our hot water and we're just going to pour it in. Then, you're going to get, some people like to use spoons. I like to use a knife because, you know, I don't know, I'm weird. You just stir it up. How long you stir it up is up to you. I like it really stirred up. Alright. Now, an important part when it comes to coffee, or at least some people, is your milk. In this case, I like half and half. And sugar. I use fake sugar because I can't have real sugar because of my diabetes. Alright. So we're going to put in our half and half. There we go. When it comes to sugar, what I like to do is I like to put in 3. And then just get that in. And mix that up. Once you get that stirred up, what I like to do is I take one more and I open it and I just put it on top, but I don't mix it in. Instead, I just let it settle on its own. You're gonna throw your wrappers away and put your milk away. And there you have an espresso. Hope you can see it. I'm filming on my iPad for this episode. My new iPad, and the quality on the camera isn't great, but you know, it's better than nothing. Alright, so we're going to wait 4 minutes. That's what I like to do, let it cool down and then taste it. I'll be right back to you. Alright guys, my coffee has cooled down a little bit. And now we're going to try some homemade espresso. God damn, Jimmy. This is some serious gourmet shit. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you got any ideas for what I could make next, comment below. My one request is make it a little bit healthier because me and my family were trapped in our house, and as I'm not ashamed to admit it, we've gained a little bit of weight. I know I've always been just a little overweight, but we've been gaining more weight because we can't leave the house. So if we're gonna cook stuff, I would just make sure it's something that's healthier, or at least not as unhealthy as the stuff I've made the last couple episodes. Thank you.
Yeah, this stuff is not going to be
Look in there. This is not Pick a Boy Gourmet Hour, okay? Shut up!
My chili's better than this anyway.
You're chewing your shit. I'll keep you doing